Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you have often requested a hair video, I have that for you today. Before we get into the video, let me get into my routine when I wash my hair. Normally, I will put conditioner and I use mane and tail regular conditioner. I'll put that all throughout my hair, comb it through, put a cap on, and wrap it in a towel. So I'll do that and I'll leave it on overnight. The longer you can leave it on, the better. I go in and wash my hair. And when I say I wash my hair, I mean that very loosely. I saturate my hair again with conditioner, the same mane and tail conditioner. I'll put it all throughout my hair, comb through it, make sure there's no tangles. Then I will take my Monoi, Carol's Daughter Monoi shampoo, and I will go through my scalp with the shampoo. I don't touch my ends with the shampoo ever. I just take the shampoo and like so, just go in, get right at the roots, get my scalp clean, do that motion a few times. When I finish that, there's usually suds throughout my hair. So I'll take my Monoi conditioner. Mind you, I haven't rinsed my hair yet. I'll take my Monoi conditioner and I will saturate my hair again. Leave that in until I'm ready to get out of the shower, and then I will rinse that all out with cool to cold water. It's normally cold water, which is better for your hair strands because it'll close that cuticle right back up. So once I do that, I am ready to start the blow dry. If you have any questions, of course, just leave them in the comment box below. I hope you enjoy this video. As you see, I've already sectioned my hair into half. I'm gonna take some Monoi anti-breakage spray from Carol's Daughter, and I'm just gonna spray, getting the ends good because this helps with split ends. I take my wide tooth comb and comb it through from the bottom up. Now that I've combed it through, I'm going to use Monoi split end sealer. This is about how much, and I'm going to work it through, focusing on the ends. I'm going to take my Denman brush and go in and brush from the bottom up again, working in that split end sealer. I use the BaByliss Pro Nano Titanium. And I put the heat on medium heat, but high power. And in blow drying, I like to make sure my brush and my blow dryer are pretty much following each other throughout my hair in this kind of motion. And typically I use like 3 sections to blow dry my hair. So I just put that in a bun. This I'm going to break into 2 sections. We're going to start on this side, so we'll clip over here. Okay, so now it's time to straighten this hair with my BioIonic Flat Iron. And this goes up to 450 degrees. However, I use between 410 and 430. For my thermal spray, I use Goldwell Sleep Protection. I just spray it all over. For this, it's slow and steady wins the race. You don't want to do too many passes. It's just going to fry your hair, but now I can put the hair together. Don't want it to be super flat and straight. That's why I have the heat on 410 and why I'm using bigger sections. Otherwise it has the potential to look flat and lifeless. On my front I pass through a little faster because the ends of my hair in the front are a little bit lighter. So I don't want to do too much damage with the heat. So I'm gonna go trim it, come back. So this is the final look. I went in and gave myself a trim. It feels good, it looks good. It's thicker, it's fuller, it's not flat. So the split ends are gone and it can continue to grow and track. So like I said before, the importance of trimming your hair. I do it as often as I feel like I need it. I do it myself, obviously. But for everyone else who has to go get their hair trimmed, I would say to get it trimmed about every 3 to 6 months, unless you see that you need it more often. And you can usually feel, the test I do is if it feels like straw toward the end or it starts to sound like straw at the end, I would recommend getting a trim. But healthy hair is the goal. So I hope you enjoyed this hair video. Once again, I will have more coming soon for you guys. Like I said, I don't like to put too much heat on my hair. So whether it's later in the week when I'm ready to wash my hair, I may go through again and do a wavy tutorial for you guys. I know you guys love that, so I will keep you guys posted. Please subscribe if you haven't already. You'll get those notifications whenever I post a new video. And I will see you guys next time.